Egg bowls makes it easy to enjoy hard-boiled eggs without peeling any shells. The silicone tray cooks up to 6 eggs at a time and even lets you hard-boil egg whites. The BPA-free silicone boiler is dishwasher safe and has a flat bottom that stays steady while you pour eggs or egg whites in. And you can add ingredients, like chopped veggies or bacon, to create custom snacks. You'll need to use non-stick spray or cooking oil before boiling to easily pop the eggs out when they're done cooking. They'll have a flat bottom too. Maker Alex Killicarslan was on an egg-eating kick, but he grew tired of all the peeling, and he was also ditching the yolks in favor of eating just the egg whites. His solution is a simple but smart one.
Separating yolks can be a messy affair, but not with this ingenious device. Simply squeeze the bulb and gently touch it to the yolk. When you release your grip, the yolk is sucked into the reservoir, which can hold multiple yolks at a time. Squeeze again to release the contents. Made of food-grade silicone, it cleans up easily and is dishwasher safe.